Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing how I scored above 80 marks in maths and statistics for CA Foundation. So you guys need to watch this video till end because it is very useful video for scoring at least 60 to 70 marks in mathematics and statistics. So starting off with the important chapters of maths, which are time value of money, TVM, ratio, proportion, indices, logarithm. Then comes the EMM, GM chapters, and LR also. And for statistics, the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, and also correlation, regression, and probability. So इतने chapters तो आपको minimum करने ही है, and you will be easily able to score more than 60 or 75 plus marks. And after completing these chapters, what I used to do, what I did was I directly jumped over to the solving of MTPs and RTPs and also PYQs. I followed the Akash Agarwal sir's task series of 30 days and also the Century series, which covered a variety of questions. And I'm personal experience से बोल रहा हूँ, आप आकाश सर को ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करो एंड उनके टास्क सीरीज़ एंड MTPs एंड RTPs के सोल्यूशन के वीडियोस देखो, और या तो हैंड रिटन आप खुद भी प्रैक्टिस करो. एंड बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस कॉपी पेस्टेड जो आपको फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर एग्जांपल नवंबर 21 की MTP में द क्वेश्चंस विच वर आस्क्ड विल बी आस्क्ड इन द जून 22nd. So you are basically पिछले attempt के MTP के questions will be asked in current year's paper. So I would strongly suggest you to solve the MTPs and RTPs and also the PYQ questions. And I have already mentioned about the PYQ important chapters. So you guys have to solve these questions chapters on a priority basis. And after after completing the priority based chapters, if time permits, तो आप कुछ नया मत करो, अलग चैप्टर्स मत करो, इंटीग्रेशन एंड लिमिट्स एंड ऑल. आप MTPs, RTPs एंड PYQs पे सीधा जंप करो एंड ट्राई टू कवर एज मैनी क्वेश्चंस एज पॉसिबल ऑफ MTPs एंड RTPs एंड PYQ. ब्लाइंडली फॉलो आकाश सर's task series. Even I followed and I was able to score 85, and the important point is that I attempted of 89 and scored 85. Even if while solving the MTPs आपको कुछ questions नहीं आएंगे, don't panic and just move on to the next question. And ऐसा नहीं है कि 100 मार्क में से आपको एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. सो अराउंड आपको 60 to 75 प्लस का अटेम्प्ट आप इजीली कर पाओगे एंड इनफैक्ट स्कोर भी कर पाओगे. सो या just keep studying, keep working hard, and don't stress कि इतना हवा बना के रखा है कि maths is tough, and unnecessarily stress मत लो. Just keep working hard, be consistent in your preparation. And law and accounts and को तो हो ही रहा है साथ में, वो तो सबका है ही. मैथ्स में बहुत लोग को डर लगता है कि आई एम ए नॉन मैथ स्टूडेंट, आई एम अ मैथ स्टूडेंट. सो it's just basic mathematics, formula based here, nothing to worry about. And be focused and yeah, just go now, study MTPs and RTPs karo. After all, abhi 20 days hi bache. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel too. Thank you. Bye.